Hi guys, Cruise Control, Mark's Garage. So ito na guys yung Innova 2017 gas engine 2.0. Ayan, na-install natin ang cruise control at working siya. Ito, check natin yung cruise control. Ito na guys, oh. So ito na yung cruise control. Automatic transmission, gas engine. Okay guys, thank you. Dito lang yan guys sa Cruise Control, Mark's Garage. Yes! Hi guys, Cruise Control, Mark's Garage. So ngayon guys, nagte-testing na tayo ng cruise control sa Innova G 2.0 gas engine. So ito guys, apak pa sir. Yan, bitaw. Ayan, so guys, oh, nakaset na yung cruise control. Nag-brake ka sir. Nakaset na yung cruise control. Tapos hindi nakaapak sa gas pedal. Ayan. Ayan, maintain ang speed. Gas engine guys, oh. Kusa maandar. Ayan. Ayos, working sa 20, anong year to sir? 2017 gas engine 2.0. Ayan, dito lang yan guys sa Cruise Control, Mark's Garage. Yes.